As I was browsing through Amazon, I saw this microwave cover pop up. Now, we always just use paper towels and it works okay, but I thought this was inexpensive enough and might as well try it out. So here I am trying it out. This is the microwave cover I just got. Pretty excited to try it out. So you can see it does have vents. This has a magnet as well, so you can hang it. I don't know why you'd want to hang it on your refrigerator, but you could. We can't really hang it to the side of our microwave, but we can put it on top and it doesn't really move around anywhere. But here's what I like about this. So you can see the silicone, it's got 2 different levels. If I go out one level like this, I can just put it over a bowl and it's perfect size for a bowl. It's not touching the bowl or anything. If I put it on this larger thing of rice though, it gets in the way. But if I expand it one more level, then it doesn't touch the bowl. So I'm gonna go get me some curry and try this out. I've got some tikka masala. My wife and I bought that in Canada. It was on sale at Walmart and I've been really excited to try it out ever since. So let's go ahead and put it in the microwave. Let's put this cover on. Oh, we can go down a level. Oh, well, that was easy. Cool. And it's a pretty good size for the bowl. Let's just blast this thing to smithereens. I cooked this intentionally much longer than I think I needed to. Let's see. Okay. Not hot to pick up the lid. Oh, I can feel the steam. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! There is some drippage. That is a clean, well, I mean, that microwave is as clean as it was before I put this in. Holy cow! That's cool. Okay, let's put it underwater. I think I'm in love with this thing so far. I don't know if you were able to tell or not from the video footage, but I really like this. I mean, it's one of those things that's just, it's so simple, but also it just works really well. Such a great idea to keep the microwave clean. In my experience, you can just rinse it off most of the time when you're done, and it's going to be nice and clean. Every once in a while, I will wash it and give it a good, nice wash. But this is one of those devices that it's inexpensive enough, and if you have a microwave, you might as well get this.